What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got the Supra here, and I've got the VIPER security system. I think I might have bitten off more than I can chew here. It's a lot of wires. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah. I'm not a wiring professional. I'm not a wiring sort of guy, so I hate wiring. And this looks terrible. But I've been going through a lot of books and pages and old interwebs, and I think I got one of the main power, and there should be door locks somewhere and blinkers, I guess. But I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna learn it as we go, I guess. You can come along for the ride. It's gonna be funny. But first, I gotta take the old keyless entry system out of the Supra. It's sitting underneath the glove box here. So I'll take that out, and then it runs up and under the dash, and then there's a black box under there. I'm guessing that's the immobilizer, possibly, maybe, I don't know. But I know this is gonna be painful. I do have some little diagrams I got off the old forums of color-coded wires, which is which and whatnot, so yeah. I don't know what I'm doing here. But yeah, let's get stuck into it. I'll document as much as I can, show what wires are what I find, but first take a look at this old system that's in it. So I'm thinking maybe the immobilizer that's up under the dash there, I can keep it, take out their unit and replace it with this unit, and yeah, hopefully that works. Or if not, maybe this is the immobilizer. That part I haven't figured out yet. Like, is this just the key lock system, entry alarm, all that sort of shit? But it's not the immobilizer. You gotta have a separate immobilizer. Yeah, I don't know. So, and something about a flex relay. The lighting's terrible. VIPER says flex relay, but that's mostly for the remote start. I've never heard of a flex relay before. I've heard of a normal relay, but not a flex. Anyway, get to it. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Not. Okay, so here's the old alarm system. Like, it's got quite a sizable antenna on it, which doubles around to get it there. That's actually got a little bit of weight to it up. Yep, it's got no identification apart from a barcode. So it'd be great if I could find out what company made this, have a look at the diagrams, and then I could sort out what wire they got going where, and I could probably just adapt this. I still have this, but like, it's got a fair decent little harness that it'll run up side here, and I don't know if you can see it down there, but it's down there somewhere. It runs over to the black box that's under the carpet. So I'm just gonna see if I can pick anything up from this barcode in today's time. So I should be able to get a barcode scanner or something. And I don't know what that is. That's like a, yeah, I don't know, infrared box or something. Well, there's no markings on it at all. It's definitely a cheap aftermarket security system or something. Yeah, I'll have a look. See if I can find the maker of this sucker. Okay, little update. This thing, whatever double-sided tape they used, some serious shit. For this thing, it's a battery. It's a backup battery. It's a 12 volt, 0.8 amp hour. The little one. Okay, this was a serious security system. Cool. I should test that, see if there's actually still got any power left in it. I bet you it don't. I bet you it's dead. And I've been trying to look this up. So far I've got a juice maker and some documents of something else, but not coming up with anything at the moment. Warranty void if seal is broken. Well, yeah. Okay, I'll keep on to this. I'll test this little sucker. If it works, well, cool. Now I'll get to it. Okay, update. New shit found. Well, I found nothing on this, even using Google Lens or anything like that. But I opened it up and this is a tracker. It's a tracking box. So that's why I had the big aerial on it. So the system, security system that was put in this car was pretty baller for back in the day. I looked these files up and yep, they're still existent. So this is the tracker with this big ass aerial. And got a thick boy too. So that's the tracker. So what is under the dash of this must be the immobilizer and keyless entry remote, whatever. So that's an all-in-one, and what was plugged up to this sucker was literally just a tracking box. Yeah. Okay, well, that's interesting. Cool. How do you? Okay, so let me show you what I'm working with. All this crap, just crap. But God, it looks terrible, don't it? There's just crap going everywhere. Oh, whoever put this in, yes, it worked, but you need a boot in the arse. Let me get this light fixed somewhere so I can see crap. For this box must be the immobilizer and keyless entry, whatever you are. I'm pretty sure I've seen it once before. Yeah, all black wires. I'm thinking, where did I see this before? Mighty Car Mods. When they put the alarm system in the Miata. That's an old vid. I'll have to watch that and see if they tell me the brand of it. Is this here? That looks factory. That could be like the reverse sonar box, whatever. I'm pretty sure that's like front left sensor, and that goes over to this plug, which is the on-off switch for the rear alarm, distance alarm, or whatever. I need to find this, but this might actually turn into a couple part series. It's gonna take me ages to get all this out, because it's really winded around crap everywhere, and then it comes down here and goes through the floor, carpet, don't know what to, but if I can find a manual on this, I can find where each wire goes, because they're all black. I'm guessing that's a theft thing. And this, I have no clue. Why is there a little momentary switch? I'll have to work out where that goes. Okay, we'll call this part 1, because this is a mess. It's a nightmare. I won't even, yeah, it's gonna take me all day just to get all this out. Battle. Part 1, pulling the old alarm system out. Yay. Okay, this is where I'm up to. This is the old alarm system dooley bobber. So after all, this button, this one here, it certainly went to something. Something in the harness to do with that. This is a tracker made by Quick Track with a backup battery. This is the brains, this is the immobilizer. Yeah. I'd say that's a shock sensor or something. Yeah, not really sure on the relay though, what it was for, or whatever the hell this was, sensitivity for the shock sensor maybe. It's a bit of a T-harness, don't know, just all crap. But I went and pretty much stripped everything to get all that crap out. And what I'm left with is, I'm thinking this wiring here that randomly goes up there is something to do with the handbrake switch. Because I know the purple one here, it runs to the switch here, but it's kind of like dodgily teed into it. Yeah, don't really know that one. The orange one, I don't have a clue, but they go the same shit, so we'll keep that over there. This here, this is your reverse alarm switch. Yeah, the switch goes on that up under here, so you don't have to worry about that. And then it looks to be a T-harness. Something. It was plugged into here, into your what you call it, ignition, and it's got this orange wire that's fused, 220 amp fuses. It looks to be one it's getting power from constant, one's accessory, and it's leading up, so it's on this door pillar. I'm thinking it's not the TV, so I don't think it's a TV, so I'm pretty sure it's the sunroof. Yes, I have a sunroof, and yes, this will be getting fixed when the cars are going concern. So, like, that's not too bad. Like, that must have been done in the early days when he didn't want to destroy wiring, so he just put a plug in, put a T-harness in, and jumped off of it. But anyway, we're good with that, so don't have to worry about that. So I plugged this sucker in, and yeah, it's cut. There's a black and white was spliced onto the old harness that's been cut, and another one that's been cut, and there's the black and white there. What's that color? Orange and something. It'll be here, probably one of these somewhere, but I plugged that in anyway. And where's the keys? First time in its life I actually have a park brake light. It works. That's never worked. Everything else is on. I've got to reconnect them wires that are under there. I'll take that out. I've got to reconnect the wires they cut, or just to see what the hell they're for and what they're doing. Take off these splices, and I'm just trying. My idea is to make all this back to factory, and once it's all factory, then I'll go ahead and put the VIPER security system in, so I can start from scratch, start from fresh, because the crap I pulled out of here is, yeah, I was not having fun, not with this. Not sure where I'm gonna go from here, but you see they've spliced and cut, so I'm guessing they took power and put it to that immobilizer, and then spliced power back in the other side, so the immobilizer was the switch. And I take it this car's never had a factory immobilizer or factory security, so oh, there's that brown one there, brown and black. Yeah, right there, that's brown and black. And what was the other one? White and black. White and black. Where did I find that? Oh, here. So if I connect them up, the car should do weird shit. Back to normal shit. Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna sort of dodgy test it, see what the car does. Hopefully it doesn't catch fire. Rightio, paperwork. This is not fun. I'm just working on the 6-pin connector, which is your main wiring connection for everything, and that's all them. So I'm just going out and see, I got, these are the mains off the VIPER, and this is the car. So I got red, which is a 12-volt constant. It's a white red wire under the dash there somewhere, and black's the negative, so it's just a ground anyway. Brown will go to the siren, and the siren will be grounded to the chassis. White, brown, there's green in the driver's kick panel. Now I found all this out on a couple forums online of all the codes and colours. This orange one though, it's a GWO, it's a ground when armed output, so I don't know. Maybe if the car's got an immobilizer, I send that to the immobilizer to tell it to arm itself. Maybe, I don't know. But for now, I'm not going to connect that one, because I don't think this car has an immobilizer on it, apart from whatever that other crap was that I pulled out of the car. That wasn't factory. I got to look around the car. Apparently up in this kick panel up in here somewhere, there's an immobilizer on some of them. But I'm gonna hook these wires up, and well, that includes the door lock. So door lock and door unlock. So you got green, yellow, pressure kick panel, and unlock is white. So that's driver's kick panel. Be a little bit of a stretch getting over to the passenger side, but I'm gonna hook them. I'm gonna hook them up. Just dummy hook them up for now, and see if it does anything. Let's get back to this. Hello, update. This is where I am up to. It's a complete mess, but I've got main powers and the siren hooked up, so you got, oh, yeah, that works. But I'm just oh, there's a lot. I'm trying to figure out where my parking light relay wire is, the main one. It's supposed to be green, but I've got green, yellow, green, black, and that's like left side, right side. I can't find the main one to power on hazards. So it's getting there really slowly. And yeah, it's getting late too, so yep, this will be ongoing thing. That's filler. Disarmed. Oh yeah, also it's built in. If you take the battery off, the alarm will go off. So that's cool. Quite annoying. Good thing it's got a key on it. Turn that sucker off.